Welcome to our Power BI Masterclass. We are a community of authors who share daily Power BI tutorials, tips and tricks, guides and much more. Subscribe to our channel to get our free content. In this video we will review the Power BI dashboard created by Victor Rivas and identify best practices to learn from this great dashboard. This dashboard is a perfect example of combining data storytelling, UX design, and advanced Power BI interactivity to turn complex telemetry into actionable insights. This dynamic Power BI report dives deep into Formula One tire degradation, offering an interactive and visually stunning way to analyze performance by team, track, sector and turn and tire position. This Power BI dashboard isn't just visually impressive, it's packed with best practices and learning opportunities for both Power BI users and data storytellers. The heat map style matrix uses color gradients to immediately highlight high and low degradation values, perfect for spotting problem areas on the track at a glance. By combining a 3D car visual, a track layout with color-coded turns, and a team/tire selection interface, the report delivers multi-angle insights without overwhelming the user. The use of clickable track maps, team logos, and slicers for track selection gives users control over what data they want to explore, boosting engagement and usability. The turn-by-turn circuit graphic isn't just aesthetic. It effectively connects geographic track layout to specific data points, like tire degradation, helping users intuitively grasp spatial performance. Everything is placed with purpose. Track center, matrix below, filters above, key visuals to the right. This teaches the value of clean layout, visual balance, and guided exploration in report design. Link to the full article, including detailed best practices, is in the video description. You're welcome to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, may the Power BI be with you.